Jamaican Jerk Chicken. Ingredients: chicken rub, 1 whole chicken cut in 10 pieces, salt and freshly ground pepper, to season, 1 tablespoon or 15 grams jerk seasoning, ½ tablespoon or 5 grams garlic powder, 1 tablespoon or 6 grams onion powder, jerk marinade, 2 sprigs fresh thyme, 3 green onions, green and white parts chopped, 6-8 cloves garlic, roughly chopped, 1½ tablespoon fresh ginger, chopped, 2-4 habanero pepper, chopped, 1½ tablespoon or 22.5 milliliters soy sauce, 2-4 tablespoon or 30 to 60 grams brown sugar, 2 tablespoon or 12 grams allspice, coarsely ground, 1 tablespoon or 8 grams cinnamon powder, ½ tablespoon or 3.5 grams nutmeg, 1 tablespoon or 6 grams chicken bouillon powder, optional, 1/4-1/2 cup or 60 to 120 milliliters water or pineapple juice, adjust to a desired consistency. Instructions: trim chicken of excess fat and pat dry with a cloth or paper napkin. Rub with salt and freshly ground pepper, jerk seasoning, garlic, and onion powder. Set aside while you make the marinade. In a food processor or blender, combine the following: thyme, green onions, garlic, ginger, habanero pepper. Pulse for about 30 seconds until blended. Soak the chicken with a mixture of soy sauce, brown sugar, allspice, cinnamon, nutmeg, chicken bouillon, and water or pineapple juice, and then add the blended herbs and seasonings to complete the jerk marinade. Note: you can combine and blend all the ingredients all at once, especially when making the jerk marinade ahead of time. No need to separate the soy sauce mixture. Drench the chicken with jerk marinade, place in a Ziploc bag and refrigerate for at least 3 hours, preferably overnight. Try not to touch the jerk blend with your hands because it is extremely spicy hot. If possible, use gloves. When ready to grill, remove chicken from the jerk marinade and place on medium to high lightly oiled grill. Reserve the remaining marinade. Cook chicken on a prepared grill for 12-20 minutes, until juices run clear with an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, turning often to optimize cooking and browning. You may also broil or roast the chicken in a hot oven, 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In a small saucepan, simmer the remaining marinade and the one from the chicken for about 7 minutes. Serve with the chicken or mix it before serving with the plantains.